Welcome back to Speak English with Telugu. Now, let's get started with the conversation. Hi friend, my vacation was great. We visited our grandparents in Vijayanagaram and spent a lot of time with family. How about you? How was your break? Oh, that sounds interesting. I have never been to Warangal. Did you visit the Thousand Pillar Temple? Not exactly, but I have started reading The Secret Wishlist by Preeti Shenoy. It's quite engaging. How about you? Wow, that sounds really interesting. I will add it to my list. Have you watched any interesting movies recently? Yeah, I watched it too. It was so good. By the way, did you try anything new over the holidays? That's awesome. I too love Bharatanatyam. How has the experience been? I have been experimenting with cooking. Tried making pulihora and arsalu with my mom. It was messy but fun. Definitely. What about you? Any new hobbies? Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun. Your pots must have been beautiful. Oh, do you remember our plan to visit Araku Valley? Not yet, but it's still on my bucket list. What about you? Any travel plans for the next holidays? That sounds great. Tirupati is a beautiful place and has such a peaceful vibe. I am thinking about pursuing psychology because I am really interested in it. How about you? That's a fantastic idea. Your designs have always been so beautiful. I'm sure it will do really well. Let me know if you need any help with it. Definitely. Let's plan something soon. See you, my friend. Take care. And that's today's conversation. I suggest watching this video again if you had any trouble with the dialogues. If you spoke well, great job. I'm really proud of you. Like and share this video with your friends who are learning English. If you have any doubts or topic suggestions, let me know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe for more conversations. See you in the next video. Take care.